Have you ever walked past someone and realized they weren't quite human, but a robot in double skin and human gait? In Asia, that moment is inching closer to everyday life, where machines don't just mimic humans, they live in our environments, adapt, learn, and even feel. Today, we'll explore 8 real, futuristic humanoid robot projects from Asia. From factory working bipedals and space-ready androids to lifelike skin and agile acrobats. We'll look at what each does, how it works, and why Asia might be the region quietly dominating the next human-robot era. Let's count down from number 8 to number 1. Number 8, Unitree G1 and beyond. China. Imagine a robot doing a side flip as casually as a human hurdler. China's Unitree Robotics released the G1 humanoid robot in 2025, demonstrating standing side flips, kick-ups, and Tai Chi moves. Tech features: about 127 centimeters tall, 35 kilograms, capable of running, balancing after impact, and performing dynamic gymnastic moves. Price reported around US dollars 13,900 in China. Application: industrial testing, entertainment, dexterous tasks in warehouses. This shows Asian robots are getting athletic and agile, which means the next ones won't just walk, they'll perform. Number 7, living skin humanoid robot. Japan. What if a robot didn't just look human, its skin felt human? Researchers at the University of Tokyo, led by Professor Shoji Takeuchi, developed a humanoid with engineered collagen-based skin tissue that can bend, flex, and smile like a human face. Features: biohybrid skin adheres to robotic surfaces, maintains flexibility without cracking, integrates into robot limbs. Application: medical training robots, humanoid companions, lifelike androids. When robots look and feel human, the psychological barrier drops, and human-like robots become part of our everyday world. Number 6, Navi AI. China. Imagine a robot delivering speeches, making tea, and playing chess all at once. Developed by the Zhangjiang Humanoid Robot Innovation Center, China, Navi AI showcased its quasi-human behavior at the 2024 World Robot Conference 2024, making tea, giving speeches, and even playing chess. Specs: about 60 kilograms weight, designed for human-scale interaction, high-level multitaskability rather than raw speed. Application: public service, hospitality, human-robot interaction research. If robots can behave human-like in everyday settings, the leap from factory floor to living room isn't far. Astrobot S1, China. What if your robot helper could write calligraphy and pour wine for you? The Chinese startup Stardust Intelligence unveiled Astrobot S1 in April 2024, a humanoid assistant capable of delicate tasks like folding shirts and artistic tasks like sugar painting. Features: advanced AI, dexterous hands, human-scale limbs. Designed for tasks previously too subtle for robots. Application: service robots in hospitality, retail, elderly care. When robots can fold your shirt, helper becomes partner in daily life. Number 4, Kengoro, Japan. Imagine a robot that literally sweats like a human. At the University of Tokyo's JSK Robotics Laboratory, engineers created Kengoro, one of the most biologically accurate humanoids on Earth. This machine doesn't just move like us, it functions like us. Kengoro performs push-ups, stretches, and even runs, powered by 116 muscle-like actuators that mimic real human motion. But what makes it truly remarkable? It sweats. By circulating water through a porous aluminum skeleton, Kengoro cools itself down naturally, just like a living organism. It's a combination of mechanical precision and biological design, built for sports science, motion AI, and human physiology research. In a world where robots used to be metal boxes, Kengoro proves one thing. The future of robotics is no longer mechanical, it's organic. Number 3. Ever 6, South Korea. What if a humanoid could conduct a real orchestra in front of thousands? In 2023, South Korea unveiled Ever 6, a humanoid robot created by the Electronics and Communications Research Institute. It made history by stepping onto the stage of the Seoul National Theater and conducting a full orchestra alongside a human conductor. Standing 170 centimeters tall, Ever 6 features 41 high-precision joints and lifelike facial motion, capable of expressing subtle emotion while moving in perfect rhythm with music. Ever 6 isn't just a performer, it's a symbol of how art and technology can merge. It shows us a future where robots might not just serve humanity, but create with it. From the stage to the laboratory, Asia's humanoids are learning not just to think, but to feel. Number 2. Xiaomi CyberOne, China. Now picture walking into a tech store and a robot greets you by name. In 2022, Xiaomi, yes, the smartphone giant, revealed CyberOne, a humanoid robot standing 177 centimeters tall, weighing 52 kilograms, with advanced emotion recognition and 3D vision. CyberOne can recognize 45 types of emotions and 85 types of ambient sounds. It walks at 3.6 kilometers per hour, holds conversations naturally, and syncs with Xiaomi's entire AI ecosystem. Unlike industrial robots, CyberOne is built for social presence, for empathy and interaction. It's not just a machine, it's a digital being designed to understand you. When machines begin to sense emotions, we step into an age where empathy itself becomes technology. Number 1. Japan's Mirakan and Kokoro Actroid series. What if the person speaking to you wasn't human, but you couldn't tell? Developed by Kengoro Company and Hiroshi Ishiguro Laboratory, Actroid robots are the most human-like androids ever built. The latest models at Tokyo's National Museum of Emerging Science, Mirakan, can blink, breathe, and express micro-facial movements so real that you'd forget you're talking to a machine. They use deep learning voice systems, subtle gaze tracking, and AI-driven facial micro-expression mapping to hold natural conversations. Actroid's purpose is simple yet profound: to make us question what it really means to be human. And the line between humanity and technology has never been thinner. From Japan's living androids to Korea's expressive performers and China's empathetic companions, Asia isn't just building robots, it's building mirrors of ourselves. These aren't props in a sci-fi movie. They're the early prototypes of a world where artificial life coexists with biological life. While the West focuses on digital AI behind screens, Asia is giving it a body, a face, a heartbeat, and maybe, just maybe, when we meet our reflection in metal and glass, we'll realize that the future isn't coming. It's already standing right in front of us.